Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And today I am at Ashley's Furniture looking for a bed. It is time to find a bed that will make her comfortable and me comfortable, because of the fact she's got a bad knee and a bad shoulder, and they're on opposite sides of each other. So when she rolls over on me, because I sleep facing the bed from the feet, I sleep on the left-hand side. So when she rolls over on me, and she can only stay there for a certain length of time because her shoulder starts to hurt. Now, once it starts to hurt, she rolls back over on her other side, and now her knee will start to hurt. Now this is on a flat bed, and that is on a I believe it's a Sealy Serter memory foam. Now of course this thing is now going on 11 years old, and it's got, because of our sizes and the fact that we have 9 Shih Tzus, who at least 4 of them want to be on the bed at night. The other ones are either under it or in their own other domain, or sleeping on the couches or something. But anyway, it's now come to the point where it has a crevice in the middle, and she can't get a good night's sleep. I can't get a good night's sleep. And the fact that I like to sleep on my back, and then I start to snore, and that turns around and causes another reason that she can't sleep or get adjusted. So now I get woke up because I'm asleep, and I got to roll over so I don't sleep. So we're now at Ashley Furniture because it's Memorial Day, and they have all these sales going on. Now, we did go to Sleep Number, and we went through the whole procedure of getting our Sleep Number numbers. She's a 50 and I'm a 40. But by the time we got done with everything that we wanted, they were only going to be able to finance for 36 months, and we're talking an $8,000 bill here. So that kind of, even though, and she couldn't get comfortable. You're on an air mattress, and you're paying $3,000 for just the base that adjusts your head and your knee area up and down. Well, we came to Ashley, and we found the new technology in the Tempur-Pedic. Now, from what I understand, the old Tempur-Pedic, which is now in clearance, has something to do with the chemical, going from a chemical to the new technology of some sort. So we got on this, and we took the too bad he didn't have the I don't know where the adjustable thing is here. And this is brand new. This is a 2018 model mattress, and it's new technology, vice,
you get what you pay for, dude.
Chemical technology. And yes, again, you get what you pay for. This has all these base controls. It has vibration. It's actually got, where was that? It's actually got
lights underneath.
It's actually got underbed lighting. It has, you can hear it. This has 3 settings of vibration, and you can set it, and you can set it from the feet, or you can set it from the head, or you can do the whole bed. If you're a snorer, again like I am, you can hit snore, and as you can see, you can watch the head rise just a little bit. It raises pretty high, but you can adjust it to the height that you want it. And there's also a setting that when you're done, there's a watch TV, or there's a TV. There's the TV setting. Let's see if there's a better view of it. There's the TV setting. Of course, if you're in it, you're gonna be curling out. It's just the way that's pretty high. And we can take it back down, and you can adjust the bed in the angles that you want. Coming back down. He's sitting pretty high. Now, of course, you can see because the mattress hasn't slid down with that. We got as you can see, you can take the liner off of it and wash the liner. Well, you can't do that on other beds. We got a guaranteed mattress cover, and of course we have the dogs, and I have male daddy Pooh who likes to mark, and if we don't catch him, he will mark the bed as he has in the past. Let's go back, and then your zero gravity is going to take the bed back down to flat. But the seller was with Patricia on the bed. She can finally get comfortable from the minute she lays on the bed, and we can adjust the legs. We can adjust the legs so she can get her knee the way it needs to be, and you can adjust the bed so I no longer snore. It has a cooling layer, and of course what she really liked was the fact that that's the feet vibration. This is the head vibration, and you can hear it. So, and because it is Memorial and with a military discount and stuff like that, I can't pass up $100 a month. So if it's going to make her feel better and I'm going to get sleep, then that's definitely we've gone with a king. So there's plenty of room for the dogs to be on the bed too, and it has a 10-year warranty. If it sags 5 inches in the 10 years, they will replace it. So it is fully warranted when it comes to that. And the cover, if it leaks and stains the mattress, they will replace the bed as well. Let's go back down. All right, and now we're taking it back down. I'm taking it back down to zero G. So anyway, and we're in the Ashley in Rochester, New York. And our sales associate is Anthony Trovato. So if you're in the area, or come see him, and if you're an executive with Ashley, give him a hello and a thank you or a bonus or whatever, because he did his job above and beyond. And, I will definitely be recommending him to people in my area. Again, that was the Tempur-Pedic Pro Adapt Firm Technical Contour. And Ashley's got a warranty after 90 days. If you don't like it, you can come back and exchange it for another bed.
Yeah, but we're not going to not like it.
And they just charge you about a $300 restocking fee. That's all that counts. You do love that bed. So anyway,
$100 a month.
thanks for watching. And how if I can catch Anthony real quick. Anthony?
Yes, sir.
This is Anthony.
Hey, how are you?
He sold us the bed. So if you're looking for a good deal on a bed, come see him at
Absolutely.
Ashley in Rochester.
All right, they'll get credit for it.
There you go.
All right.
Thanks again.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.